having a little fun with the second camera here. YouTube fam! It's your boy Jeff from Two Wheels and a Meal.
My name is Jeff.
We're back at it for another video. This afternoon we're going to Ruckersville. They're having a freaking food truck battle, man. I'm so excited. It's been so long since we've been to an event. So buckle up, we'll roll this intro, and we'll see you guys in a second. Shoot! You already know your boy Jeff had to stop and get some coffee. Yeah, coffee. So we doubled up on the freaking coffee. We're out here. We're super excited for this little food truck battle here in Ruckersville. So if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'm a cook for a living. I love riding my motorcycle, and we kind of combine the two. We ride to restaurants and events on our motorcycle and film it and bring you guys along for all the fun and adventures along the way. So do me a huge favor, make sure you hit like, subscribe for more content like this. It says here we're about 5 minutes away from our destination, so we're gonna mess around with the camera some more, you know, have some fun along the way. Food truck battle here in Ruckersville. Oh, food truck cook-off, yes. Woolly Lamb Lot. Huh. 11:30 to 2:30. Confirmed food trucks. We have Over the Top Chef, which I've actually already done a video on them. Salsa Street Grill. The Frank Truck. The 106. Eat to the Beat. So yeah, about 5 or 6 confirmed food trucks by this website here. So hopefully we'll get to try some dank ass food. What? You mad? You mad I'm having fun, bro? You mad I'm having fun, bro? All this damn traffic. Wanna go fast? Oh yeah, that stuff. Skip! Skip! I think we're damn close. Under a mile. Snuck up on me. Oh man, now I'm anxious. I'm super anxious, man. I'm excited. Yeah, since freaking COVID, man, you don't even have no more cool events anymore like this. So I'm glad they're coming back around, and I get to be a part of them. So this is Ruckersville here. Jack's Shop Kitchen might be something to look into. Farm fresh and local. The 106, I believe, is right around the corner right there. I've heard nothing but great things about them. Quarter mile, turn right. Oh, I see them all. Let's go. We'll get the VIP parking right here. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Sorry if it's a little loud. We're behind all the trucks here. They got their damn generators and everything else going, but we're here. We're gonna see what we can get to eat. We'll see you guys when we get all the gear off. don't even know how to start to eat this fucking thing. Look at it. Fucking insane. I'm gonna tear into it. So I know it's still probably noisy as fuck, so we're gonna get back on the bike and we'll tell you guys a little bit more. Hey, about to move. Over the top part. Oh man, getting geared back up. That's a vibe. Little food truck battle action. That was really fun. Did one fun little loopy loop right here. Super fun. I only tried one thing from Over the Top Chef. It's really all I could eat. Oof. Super full. Super satisfied. Super satisfied. Over the Top. Over the Top Chef. Blow you away again. Fucking killer. Good times, good times. Oh, nice. So I got the mega taco from Over the Top Chef. Let me tell you what, that thing was fucking huge. I expect nothing less from Over the Top Chef, hence his name. But man, I looked around, I was like, man, I want to try something different. You know, I've already had his stuff. I know it's good. And then I couldn't help myself. He had that mega taco or the Nashville hot chicken is what I wanted to try as well, but the last time I went there I got the chicken dish, so I figured it was kind of similar. So I wanted to try the taco, which had pork carnitas, cheese, sour cream, it had freaking Doritos on it. Man, the carnitas were so tender, fall apart juicy, and then the cheese and the little spicy sauce he had on there. Your boy Jeff is so happy. And not to mention, the combo I had the dusty garlic fries, which I've said again and again are my favorite fries I've ever fucking had, ever. So shout out to Over the Top Chef, man. Just pulling through, doing what he does, and I'm out here doing what I do. So shout out to Over the Top Chef. If you're in the area of where he does business, I highly recommend trying his stuff. I talked to a couple of other little ladies sitting there, and they're like, oh my god, you gotta try the salad, it's so good. And I'm like, oh my god. I saw it come out. It's this freaking beautiful bowl of salad, man. All these greens and dressing and all these ingredients sparkle through it. I'm just like, man, even he makes a salad look amazing. And I'm sure it tastes amazing too.
Like a Yamaha Zoom down 1100, stunting like my daddy, stunting like my daddy, ayy, like my daddy, stunting like my daddy, ayy.
I need? You know what I need? I need some more coffee. Coffee! I'm going to get some more coffee. I don't know what you guys are up to today, but make sure you hit thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more. We're out here having fun. And I hope you come back for the next video. I've been Jeff of Two Wheels in the Mill.
Till the next episode. La dee dee da dee da dee da dee da.
Zip. Peace.